I'm not in the business of taking advantage of people. But this system, this industry, this game that we play, life, it is. They don't care. You know what I mean? So, independent artists, a lot of times when you investing in these showcases, you investing in these opportunities that you think you're investing in, if you can't spend your money and see a ROI, then you're wasting your time. Now, it takes money to make money, so you have to build a brand, but you don't have to waste money. Think about that. Now, I have a program called Independent Welding Program. I charge $150 for the membership. I'm going to teach you how to make money off this $150, which is a small, it ain't even comparison to what I paid. But it shows me that you're willing to get your feet wet. You spend $150 for a showcase. You hustle up, may sell a couple extra tickets. At the end of the day, that's all you get. When you spend mine, I'm going to teach you how to constantly get a bag. That's the difference.